Hello lovelies, you're welcome again to my channel. How are you all doing? How is your day going? How are you and your family? How is everything with you and your family? I hope the weather is friendly, it's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's just normal. If you are new here, my name is Precious RGK, and on this channel I do a lot of DIY natural hair care videos. I'll show you how to grow your hair using your own ingredients in the kitchen. I'm also into skincare products and children protective hairstyle. All my videos are natural and you can do them at the comfort of your home. There are no chemical added in all my videos. They are all natural and they are very effective. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and also click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you are already a subscriber, thank you very much for always coming to watch my video. Thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for commenting. Thank you. I am super grateful. I appreciate everything you have been doing. I will not be here without you. Thank you so much. I am very grateful. And don't forget, I love you. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to grow your hair thicker and longer using guava leaf, onions and coconut oil. The combination of guava leaf, onions juice and coconut oil are powerful ingredients when it comes to growing hair longer and thicker. Combining these three ingredients will solve all your hair challenge, guys. I am telling you. If you want to grow your edges, these three ingredients will help you. If your hair is not growing, these three ingredients will help you. If you're experiencing hair breakage, you don't have problem. These three ingredients would help you to grow your hair longer and thicker. So guys, in this recipe, first you get your fresh guava leaf. You also get your 1 medium of onions, preferable the red one. So you go about by washing your onion. When you're done washing your onion, you peel the first layer from your onion. And when you're done peeling your onion, you get your grater to grate it. Guys, you can use your blender, but don't add water when blending. So I'm using grater for this video, so I'll grate my onion. And after grating my onion, I will sieve it. Remember, I always ask you to sieve your products. So after I'm done grating my onion, and here is my sieving cloth. So I'll pour my onion inside the sieving cloth to get just the juice out of my onion. So after pouring your onion in your sieving cloth, you press it hard to get all the juice from your onion, because it is the juice we are going to use to blend our guava leaf. So press it as hard as you can to get all the juice you can get from your onion juice. Here is my residue. So this is my guava leaf, guys. Sorry, the guava leaf is a bit dry because when I pluck it, I was busy doing something, so I left it for 2 days before I start using it. That's why you see it's a bit dry. So you cut your guava leaf into tiny pieces. The smaller it is, the better for you, because you're going to blend it. So you cut it into smaller pieces with your scissors. And when you're done cutting it, you pour all of them in your blender. Pack the quantity you need in your blender and cover your blender. Then you blend smoothly. So you're just going to be blending until it is smoothly blended. When you're done blending it, then you then add your onion juice to it. You can see my guava leaf now. It is smoothly blended to my satisfaction. So I'm just going to add my onion juice. Here is my onion juice. I'll just pour in my onion juice. Then I'll bring my coconut oil and also add my coconut oil in it. Here is my coconut oil. Adding about 5 ml, that's a teaspoon of coconut oil in it. When I'm done adding both my coconut oil and my onion juice, I'll blend again. Why am I blending again, guys? I'm blending again because I want the onion juice and the coconut oil to properly mix together with my guava leaf. So here it is after blending both ingredients together, and I'm going to sieve again for the second time. Guys, the reason why I'm sieving again is because I want to sieve the guava leaf particle out of my juice. Remember, I always ask you to sieve your product. Just take the extra time to sieve your product. It is if you don't sieve your product, guys, you will not like it, because if all of those particles are stuck in your hair, God, it is something else. I have made the mistake before and I don't want you to make that mistake. So you press it as hard as you can just to get as much juice, as much liquid as possible that you can get. So here is my recipe, my guava leaf recipe. You can see the green color of it. So remember, there is no single water in this thing. It is onion juice and coconut oil and using blending my guava leaf. So when you're doing yours, guys, remember not to add water. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you are already a subscriber, thank you very much for always coming to watch my videos. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing. Thank you. I will not be here without you. Thank you so much. I am very, very grateful. And so after everything, this part is optional, guys. I always like to incorporate organic honey on my product. So I add 5 ml of my organic honey in my guava leaf recipe. Then I go in to add 2.5 ml of my lavender essential oil. I'll also go in to add 5 drops of my tea tree essential oil. Guys, if you don't have these ones, there is no problem. Your recipe will work well. It will still be effective. So if you don't have tea tree essential oil, you don't have guava, you don't have lavender essential oil, or you don't have organic honey, guys, no problem. Still go ahead to prepare your recipe. It will still work very, very well. And so after everything, I'll now go in. I'll pour my recipe in my spray can. Then I'll cover it and shake it very well to make sure all the ingredients are mixed together. And when I'm done shaking it, how do you apply this recipe in your hair, guys? It is simple. You just set on your hair. It's all 4 parts or 2 parts. Then you spray it on your hair. Spray it on your scalp. Spray it on the hair. Spray it on the tip of your hair. Just spray it generously on your hair and massage it on your hair. Don't forget to also spray it at your edges, as it helps your edge to grow. So just spray it and massage it properly on your hair. And when you're done spraying it on your hair, you cover your hair with a shampoo or a bonnet, anything just to absorb heat. You stay like that for 30 to 1 hour before washing it off with your mild shampoo. Thank you very much for always coming to watch my video. Don't forget, your girl is very, very grateful. Thank you and God bless you.